Do you struggle with navigating documents quickly? This tutorial will simplify navigation for you. By the end, you'll master essential shortcuts. First, let's learn the jump to bottom shortcut. Press Ctrl plus down arrow to jump to the bottom instantly. This saves you time scrolling pages. Now, let's go up with jump to top. Simply press Ctrl plus up arrow to return to the top quickly. Next, let's navigate right to left. Use Ctrl plus right arrow to move right. Then, let's navigate left and right. Use Ctrl plus left arrow to move left. Press Ctrl plus A to select all content. These shortcuts will boost your efficiency significantly. In summary, we learned 5 essential shortcuts today. Jump to bottom and jump to top move swiftly. Ctrl plus left arrow and Ctrl plus right arrow navigate left and right. Ctrl plus A to select all content. Now it's your turn to try these shortcuts. Implement them in your daily workflow and follow for more productivity tips. Simplix, simplify work, amplify impact.